United Arab Emirates President Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan has died, the Ministry of Presidential Affairs said on Friday. He was also ruler of Abu Dhabi Emirate. The Ministry of Presidential Affairs mourns the UAE people, Arab and Islamic nations, and the world the death of President His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who passed away on Friday, the ministry said in a statement on state media without giving further details. Under the constitution, Vice President and Premier Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, ruler of Dubai, would act as president until the Federal Council, which groups the rulers of the 7 emirates, meets within 30 days to elect a new president. Khalifa, born in 1948, had rarely been seen in public since suffering a stroke in 2014. And his half-brother, Abu Dhabi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Zayed, has been the de facto ruler of the US-allied UAE and OPEC oil producer. The UAE would observe a 40-day mourning period with flags flown at half-mast as of Friday and suspend work at all public and private sector entities for 3 days, the ministry said. Condolences started pouring in from Arab leaders, including Bahrain's king, Egypt's president, and Iraq's prime minister. Khalifa came to power in 2004 in the richest emirate, Abu Dhabi, and became the head of state. He is expected to be succeeded as ruler of Abu Dhabi by Crown Prince Sheikh Mohammed.